So this is a 1999 379 Peterbilt. It's got a 3406 E model cat, 15 speed. Drives great, runs great. Supposed to have 80,000 on the overhaul. We do not have paperwork from the previous owner, so we cannot verify that. So do with that as what you will, but just letting you know what we were told. Oil pressure's real good. That's why one of the reasons, and plus having the oil samples sent in. That's one of the reasons. Some of the reasons why we believe what we were told. Anyways, pulling out here in the field, go around it with you, get a little, get some pictures and video, walk around, show you what this truck has to offer. Oil pressure. Not a fan of these, but we're out of the replacement ones right now. By the time we go to sell this, there will be different knobs on here. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. New Bostrom Pro Ride seats, both sides. 48-inch flat top bunk. So we installed these watermelon lights. Go green one direction, red the other, neutral's off. Got on both sides. Alright, let's head outside. Guess first thing I'll do is pop open this hood and see what we got. So this is a 1999 379 Peterbilt with a 3406 E model cat, 15 speed, 48-inch flat top bunk. Let's go ahead and go around this and see what we got. We were also told it had 80,000 on the overhaul from the oil samples, the oil pressure, everything that we can try to verify without having the paperwork. We believe it checks out, but again, you just got to take that for what it's worth because we do not have documentation. So let's walk around this truck and show you what we got. So you got a 20-inch bumper, it's somewhat of an American Eagle style. It's not as deep as some of them, but it's also nice because it wouldn't go into your, if you do hit a deer, it shouldn't go into your tire. New steer tires, truck's accessories. You also got the stainless panels. Brand new fuel tanks, both sides. Stainless step covers here. Nice paint with painted visor. You got Chino style exhaust. You got the window in the back of the bunk. You got a new airline box, new diamond plate deck plate. All new frame paint. This truck came from California originally before the previous owner. Frame's in real good shape. Okay, you got your stainless steel fenders with the custom made mounts. See, it's a blind mount look. New drives, still got the nipples on them. All the way around, new brakes, drums. That's all new. Head flap hanger brackets with the lights in them.